Hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to open terminal in Visual Studio Code. So, first of all guys, I will show you how to get Visual Studio Code first. So let's go ahead to our browser and then go to the URL section. After that, search for Visual Studio Code and please guys, do not confuse Visual Studio Code with Visual Studio. So if I want your images, there is two kind of different programs. The first one with the bluish icon, which is Visual Studio Code, and then the other one, which is Microsoft Visual Studio. In this tutorial, we are going to use Visual Studio Code. So here it is, code.visualstudio.com. So let's click on it. And from this page, we're gonna click on download for Windows. If you have any other like system, you can go through here, choose Mac OS, Linux, or you can add other download or open on web. Now, after that, you just have to go through the installation process, so it won't take that long. You just have to choose after that the languages that you want to use, and then they will ask you to create your account. So now let's say that you have set up everything. So let's go here. Now, basically, the terminal in Visual Studio Code is basically like the thing that will help you run things and run your program. So let's go, for example, to File, and through here I'm going to create a new file, and I'm going to create a Python file. Now, for example, let's say something like a 8 equals to 3, something like that. I don't know. Print um, print a. So something like so, I don't know, I'm not good with programming, so I'm not sure if that works. So as you can see here, you will find when you run your code, so you can find it over here, this run button, or through here, which is run and debug. So when you click on them, so save, here we go, Python file. So when you click on them for the first time, here we go, it's working, nice. I'm actually good, nice. So as you can see, this is the terminal, and it gives you a bunch of informations like, as you can see here, it printed the code for me, and it did a lot of things. And specifically more, it can help you install packages or modules or libraries of languages. For example, in Python, you can just go here, click pip install, and you can actually download packages, libraries, and do whatever you'd like to do with it. So you just have to click in here and you will find it, or you go here through terminal, new terminal or split terminal. You can choose whatever you'd like from these and it will be opened for you. So yeah guys, that was it to today's video. If you have any other questions, please leave them down below in the comment section, and see you guys in the next tutorial.